Just partner with somebody, and so somebody's holding, put on the thing. We are not Boy Scouts, and we tie these knots. My husband would be rolling his eyes the way I tie these knots. So help yourselves. Yeah, I was a Girl Scout, but I'm not good at knots. So I don't know how best to do this, but let's just all it's a beast, so we need a lot of people to stay here for the logistics stage. It's not like the it's not like the Grinch. Yes, it's like the so we can have people like go around and take a look at things, but we really need a lot of people to stay with the balloon this year. Walk around, be back here at what time? 5 till. 5 till. Okay. Yes. We have sausage, we have pepperoni, we have cheese, we have veggies. Okay, Shannon. No, actually I was thinking grandson and
We had the Grinch last time, but this one is massive. This is going to be interesting how we're going to, well, EJ will probably work it out, but it's going to be massive how we're going to have to get rid of the signals, around the overhead lights, the skeptic can round it down, and then up. It's going to be fun. It's a good 3-mile walk.
I like this.
Thank you.
American Legion, sorry.
Yeah,